welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 16th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is conjunctions, right? So what are these conjunctions? Let me tell you. Conjunctions are the words that we use to join the words, the group of words or the sentences. So, जिन वर्ड्स को हम यूज करते हैं इन वर्ड्स को या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए वो कहलाते हैं कंजंक्शंस, राइट? क्योंकि ये हमारे सेंटेंसेस, वर्ड्स और सभी चीज़ों को ज्वाइन करते हैं तो ये कहलाते हैं जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स भी, राइट? So let us begin with the chapter now and see what they are telling us. So first of all, they are telling a conjunction is a word which joins together sentences and sometimes even words, right? तो कंजंक्शन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि दूसरे सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करता है और कभी कभी वर्ड्स को भी आपस में ज्वाइन वो करते हैं, राइट? कंजंक्शंस आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू, कि ये जो कंजंक्शंस हैं ये क्लासिफाई किए जाते हैं दो कैटेगरीज में. द फर्स्ट वन इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस और दूसरा है सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस, राइट? सो सबसे पहले डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं इन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस के बारे में. अ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन joins together clauses of equal rank. के जो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन है ये क्लॉजेस को आपस में जोड़ते हैं जो कि इक्वल रैंक के हो, राइट? द मेन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस आर and, or, but, either, or, for, so, yet, neither, nor, still, else, etc. राइट? तो ये सभी हमारे कुछ ना कुछ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस हैं जिनको हम यूज करते हैं, राइट? सो एग्जाम्पल्स में हमें दिखाया गया है कि हम कैसे इन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस को यूज कर सकते हैं. सो इन्हें रीड करते हैं. I was angry, still I kept quiet. Either he is mad or foolish. Walk fast, else you will be left behind. He was found stealing, therefore he was punished. She will pass, for she works very hard. John and Jacob are friends. You will have tea or coffee. She is intelligent but careless. He did not study, so he failed. He is old, yet he runs fast. Right? Next. Now we have the subordinating conjunctions. तो अब जानते हैं कि ये सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस सबसे पहले होती क्या है, राइट? A subordinating conjunction joins one clause to another clause on which it depends for its complete meaning. कि एक subordinating conjunction जो है वो join करता है क्लॉज को दूसरे क्लॉज से जिस पर वो अपने मीनिंग को कंप्लीट करने के लिए डिपेंड करता है, राइट? The main subordinating conjunctions are after, before, till, where, although, though, since, as, unless, while, until, because, that, etc. तो जो मेन सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस है वो सभी हैं जो यहाँ पर हमने पढ़ी, राइट? नाउ इन द एग्जाम्पल्स हमें दिया गया है कि हम कैसे इन्हें यूज कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स: I returned after he left. It happened when I was at the market. I will go there since you want me to do so. Let us sleep as it is 12. She wept so much that she was sick. She was reading a novel when I reached. Though it was raining, they were playing a match. You will succeed because you are working hard, right? She won't spare you until you apologize. As it was cold, we did not go to school, right? Now, some conjunctions are used in pairs. अब कुछ conjunctions ऐसे होते हैं जो कि pairs में यूज किए जाते हैं. They may be coordinating or subordinating. कि ये coordinating भी हो सकते हैं और subordinating भी हो सकते हैं. Such conjunctions are called correlative conjunctions. कि इन conjunctions को हम correlative conjunctions के नाम से जानते हैं. The main correlative conjunctions are either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, no sooner than, though yet, both and, whether or, hardly when, etc. Right? So these are the correlative conjunctions that are always used in pairs. Right? Now, let's see the examples at how they are used in these sentences. Either she is mistaken or her mother. She is neither happy nor sad. Though he is poor, yet he is happy. She is not such a woman as we may admire. We both loved and regarded her. No sooner did we hear the news than we started immediately. The servant not only washed the floor but also polished it. Let me know whether you are going or not. Hardly had the rain stopped when the sun came out. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.